My name is Salar and this is Salar 3D Studio channel. So I have received many questions about how to extract force displacement data from your simulation if you are doing a compression test or a tensile test. So it depends on many factors, so I will talk about each of them in this video tutorial. Okay, I usually create a reference point, as you can see the RP1 in this simulation, which I use this reference point to extract the exact displacement and force, actually reacted force of this simulation from this point. So I highly recommend you to do the same for your simulation. It would be very beneficial in your extraction of data, and also it would be a more appropriate data at the end of the test. Okay, so let's start extracting the data. I do this simulation on a primitive TPMS lattice structure. Actually, it's a modified version, so then you could go to your visualization. Okay, this is my final results. I think yes, this is the final result of my simulation. So I want to extract the force displacement graph and then convert it in other applications and softwares to stress strain, calculate energy absorption density or specific energy absorption or anything, any mechanical attribute of this lattice structure. Okay, what we do is we go to create XY data, and okay, first of all you need to know about this part. Okay, when you create your reference point, you need to create a history output about your reference point just by clicking on this icon. Continue, and in the domain section you need to choose set RP, which is actually in my case the set of RP1, and choose what you need that the Abaqus extract for you. In case of force displacement, I usually use transition and rotations towards the axis that I'm applying the force, which actually I'm applying the force toward the y-axis, so I'm going to choose U2, and you can choose U1 for X and U3 for Z. Okay, I also go to force, reaction forces and moments, and then choose RF2. And in your case, if you're applying your force on x-axis, you choose RF1, or z-axis RF3. Okay, then you just click OK, and at the end of your test you will receive the desired data on this section. Okay, let's just move to the visualization and do the graph things. Okay, just click on create XY data, choose ODB history output, and as you can see, here is the reaction force that I demanded, and let's just find the U2. Okay, this is the U2 thing that I demanded. What should I do when I have received these two valuable data separated? Abaqus doesn't give you the data on a single graph, so I need to choose reaction force, plotted, which is plotted in concern with time, then choose the displacement and plotted, which is actually again plotted concerning with the time. Then what I need to do is just again click on create XY data, operate on XY data. Here is okay, let's just save it. Okay, you need to go to ODB history output, save this as is, and save this as is. Okay, and then go to the create XY data, operate on XY data. Okay, here you have your RF2, which is the reaction force, and U2, which is your actually displacement. Okay, just scroll down this section and choose combine. Okay. Oops. Just one click and you could have it. Then you need to double click on RF2 and double click on U2 and then just plot expression. Here you are, your displacement force, which you need to change the position of RF2 and U2. Let's just see together. I always have problem with this choosing process. Okay, here is your force displacement graph. So what's next? You need to go to plugins menu, tools, and Excel utilities. Just click on Excel utility and ask to transfer and choose your proper transfer direction, which is actually from Abaqus to Excel, and then choose from current XY plot, which is your force displacement, and just click OK. Just wait, and now here is your force displacement graph. Just do not hesitate on asking your questions through my LinkedIn or the captions of this tutorial, and also do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notifications on, because your support is valuable for me in this academic path. So have a nice day. I am waiting to see your questions and your approaches. Thank you so much.